In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WordPress posts to a page in just 5 minutes. We're going to walk through each step together, making it simple and straightforward for anyone to follow. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to wordpress.com, and remember, this is your go-to place for managing your WordPress site. You'll need to log in to access all the settings we'll be adjusting today. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, you'll notice the login button, typically situated at the top right corner. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Now, to simplify this, we're going to use Google for authentication. So click on Continue with Google. This method is quick, secure, and ensures you don't have to remember another password. Just choose the Google account that you use for your WordPress site, and you'll be logged in within seconds. Once you're in, it's time to adjust the settings to display your posts on a page. Navigate to the Settings menu. You can often find this on the sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and you'll be presented with a range of options that control different aspects of your site. Next, select Reading from the list of settings. This is where you can configure how your website's content is displayed to visitors. It's crucial for setting up a static front page, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Now check out the section labeled Your Home Page Displays. This setting lets you determine what visitors see when they arrive at your site. We need to make sure we select a static page. Essentially, this allows you to choose a specific page to act as your home page and another to showcase your latest posts. This way, users can easily find and enjoy all your latest content. Next up, locate the section titled Posts Page. This is where you tell WordPress which page should be used to display your blog posts. When you click on the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of pages you've created. Here, you'll want to select the page you've already prepared or named as your blog post page. And that's it. With these configurations, your WordPress site will now have a home page that displays the content you've chosen, while your posts will seamlessly appear on the designated blog page. This structure not only organizes your content effectively, but also provides visitors with a clean, easily navigable site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to better manage your WordPress site. With these steps, you can effortlessly direct your WordPress post to a page, enhancing the user experience for your audience. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.